Have you ever wondered why it is important to celebrate achievements and wins? Imagine you scored excellent grades in your exams, but nobody celebrated your achievement. Your motivation will die because you will feel like your hard work has gone unnoticed and you won't even bother to work hard the next time. Celebrating achievements is necessary because it acts as a motivator and enhances the person's self-esteem. It also reminds him that his efforts did not go in vain. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss why it is important to celebrate wins, how people identify and celebrate their milestones, and the benefits of celebrating victories. Celebrating achievement is important no matter how big or small they are. Each milestone you complete on your way toward your goal is worth celebrating because it keeps you motivated, bringing you closer and closer to your final goal. There is also a psychological reason why we should celebrate success. When we celebrate success, endorphins are released in our brains, making us feel happy and inspired by our own success, which encourage us to perform even better in the future. It is a way to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts and progress we have made. Consider writing a book. While the ultimate goal is to finish the entire manuscript, each chapter you complete is a milestone that you achieve and is worth celebrating. Sometimes we are not able to recognize when we hit a milestone because we are so concentrated on reaching our final destination. However, if we only focus on our final destination and don't appreciate the steps leading us there, we tend to get tired along the way. That is why it is important to divide your final goal into smaller achievable steps and celebrate each milestone you hit. For example, if your ultimate goal is to reach 1 million subscribers on a YouTube channel, it is essential to celebrate every 100k subscribers you gain. This way, you stay motivated and driven to work harder with each passing day. Celebrating success is different for everyone. It's a personal choice. Some people prefer to celebrate on their own, while others like to share their achievements with loved ones. The way you celebrate can also depend on the size of the achievement. Celebrating success doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You can reward yourself simply by ordering a pizza and watching your favorite show. You might celebrate by taking a nice bath, booking an appointment for a hair spa, having coffee at your favorite cafe, gifting yourself something you need, reading a book that has been on your TBR list for a long time, or just giving yourself a break and sleeping peacefully. For bigger milestones, you could go on a picnic with family and friends, have dinner at a famous restaurant, go on a trip or a road trip, or throw a party. With all these examples, I want to emphasize that there isn't a specific way to celebrate success. It's your personal choice depending on how you define your success. The major benefit of celebrating achievements is that it gives you the motivation to continue. It reminds you of your capabilities and strengths and provides you with the time to recharge, which is essential for continued productivity. Celebrating achievements is more than just a moment of joy. It's a powerful tool for enhancing motivation, boosting self-esteem, and maintaining a positive mindset. Whether your celebrations are small and personal or large and shared, taking the time to recognize your progress can have a lasting impact on your journey towards success.